So I've driven around for ages and ages looking for somewhere to fly today. Sunday, it's nice weather, so there's like loads of people around. And so it must have at least been an hour. And I found this spot here, and I've come to this spot quite a few times, and I really want to fly behind here. I'll take you over here. I don't even think you can see any of it from here, but behind these trees here, actually here, this piece here, there's a path underneath there, and behind this set of trees is an abandoned farm, and I really want to Cinewhoop it, but there's absolutely no way I can get anywhere near the buildings because it's completely overgrown. So what I'll do is I'll have to come back when it gets a little colder and some of the shrubbery's died off, and we'll see if we can get in there and give it a fly. I've been over there with a DJI drone before, the Mini 2, and it's definitely there, but getting in there is going to be a complete nightmare. But stay tuned, and I'll see if I can get back here at some point and get in there. There's a really cool pond as well here. I don't know if you can see this. You might be able to see some of the buildings actually just through this gap. Hold on. Okay, yeah, you probably can't see that, to be fair, but just through there is one of the farm buildings, and then there's another farm building just over here. Then there's a big pond here. You can see the pond. It's literally through those trees there is where the buildings are. But if my drone was to go down, I wonder if you can get to it from this field here. Let's have a look. Might be able to. So I'm taking a bit of a trek. Let's just unplug the drone. There we go. Let's have a look around here. Yeah, you just can't get into it. This is a farmer's field, and yeah, it's completely blocked off. So yeah, there's like a hole there. I don't know if you can see that through the trees. There's like a hole in the side of the building, but I know full well if I fly in there I'm gonna crash, and I'm just not gonna get the drone back till at least winter, by which time it's gonna be dead. So stay tuned and we'll see if we can get you in there at some point.